So
Okay.
well, I just wanted us to talk about a few things that you're finding trouble in.
Yep.
So I don't know. Last time we didn't conclude. We didn't finish up with the things you were actually trying to talk about. Where do you find trouble in?
Man, they're still identifying them. This church thing, identifying those things, man.
Sorry.
Identifying the church BOS stuff. Those are the things that I find it hard for me to identify. Maybe it's because I haven't done it a couple times.
Yeah, because you're new.
It.
These things are new to you. So yeah, it just needs a lot of time to practice, to get used to. So that's the reason why I say that we should keep repeating. As long as we have time, we can still keep repeating so that we can see how to get the correct approach.
Okay.
So a few things you need to note down when coming to the trading approach. First of all, there are a list of things actually when it comes to ICT, institutional trading, inner circle trading. This is a type of trading whereby we trade supply and demand, or we trade order block. So there are a few things that we need to follow. First of all, you need maybe to mark them down so that we can keep going through them each at a time.
Okay.
So we need to first know how to tell or about the market structure. The market structure comes first.
Yeah.
Because if you don't know the market structure, then you won't know the direction of the trend. So before you do anything, the first approach is to be able to tell the market structure, because the market structure it's the one that actually which can tell us the direction of the trend. So you have to note you have to know the market structure. Second thing, you have to be able how to tell about the direction of the trend, if it's bullish or if it's ranging or if it's bearish. Another thing we need to know also, after knowing the market structure, the direction of the trend, another thing we need to know, the liquidity pools, where actually the levels where we might look at where liquidity might get grabbed, the liquidity pools, where stop losses might be taken out, Yes. So I don't know which pair can we look at. I don't know which pair can we take a look at so that we see.
Now we can choose any.
We can choose any. Then
Yes.
afterwards we can continue to track on the other pairs we've been looking at a couple of days ago.
Let's go NZDUSD.
NZDUSD. I had some setup NZDUSD I made yesterday.
Oh, okay.
You see, yeah, this is the setup I made yesterday, NZDUSD.
Which broker is this?
This is the demo we've been using. It's the demo, and it's just the meter quotes, no broker.
It looks clean, man.
Yeah, it looks just a meter quotes, no broker yet. This is just the demo we've been using all along.
Okay.
So I made this analysis actually on Monday.
Okay.
Yes, before the market opened, and I marked also before actually we talked about the market structure. You remember? And the market structure, we start since we day trader, we start mapping it from daily. We marked the most recent break of structure on daily, which was this one.
Yeah.
Before the market on daily, before the market came to sell, we had what we call what we call a bearish a bullish move. Before the market changed to bearish, we had this was a bullish momentum that we saw.
Yeah.
You can see, because there was a break of structure on the bullish side, as you can see.
Yeah.
So the market structure for this was bullish before. before it turned to bearish. So let me just mark the break of structure on daily. Oh, yeah, we're looking at history. Yeah, before it turned bearish. We saw that the market was bullish because of this break of structure. But again, it came and turned and took out that low. You see this low?
Yeah.
Took it out. So that's when it broke the entire structure now. It turned what? Bearish.
That's change of character now.
Yes, that's change of character. It changed character. Okay, I would say it's a break of structure because change of character, we look at the first sign of reversal. The first sign of reversal on daily was here. You see this low? Let me just mark so that you can see. So that we can just map it nice and indicate it nice on daily. So this was the low, the previous low on daily, you see?
Yeah.
So if it came and took out the previous low, so the change of character was supposed to be this one. I'm marking. So it's not this. These are called flips. This is a flip. So this is this was the most recent low, which was taken out. You see? Because it was bullish, forming higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs. So this was the previous higher low, which got taken out. So this was a daily church. When it turned from buying to selling, this was our daily church. You see? So you see? Yes, bro. Hello. Oh, should be maybe the network on your side. But let me wait till you get back. Okay. Shosho bra. So NZDUSD for we had our church here. Now before the church, we had a flip here. Demand supply flip. So this was the flip. This was the flip. Okay. This was the flip. Then a church, break of structure. Then RTO just made a return to this order block. Yeah. Then sell entries. Yes, break and retest. That's making RTOs. Couple of break-off structures. NZDUSD. BOS. So within our demand area, we add our order block here. Yeah, within demand. This was our order block, where I expected a turn, and I'm expecting price to come upside, taking out all this trendline liquidity. You can see this. So I lost my guy, so I'm gonna try to reconnect with him again. So actually, we wanted to look at NZDUSD. This is what we wanted to look at this morning. And for me, it's a clear buy. It's a clear long. It's a clear long. And this will be my point of interest. This supply. Yeah.